Such a beautiful beach day in Southern California. A real live and let live kind of day. We enjoyed playing a little bit of frisbee. Check out my beach body. Really worked hard on that this summer. Not a care in the world. Laura enjoys just looking for different seashells and little creatures in the shallows. She found a beautiful, perfect sand dollar earlier.
Like the lightest thinnest shell I've ever seen. It's like paper thin. And they're all over this beach.
It's so nice that the lifeguards are always present to help anybody in need. These guys really do an excellent job. Be careful, Laura, that water's a little bit chilly at first. We met this really friendly Russian woman named Marina who was visiting America with her husband. He was surfing. Here's a picture I took of her and Laura. She spent a couple hours practicing her English while we joked around. She was a lot of fun. After spending most of the day frolicking in the waves, as the sun set, a chill entered the air. We began to prepare ourselves for the 300-foot ascension up the cliff side. We noticed several police cars driving down the beach. A very uncommon sight in this area. They stopped very close to us. We were wondering what they were there for. Turns out somebody had taken a dirt nap. And he had been sleeping next to us the whole day.